Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P gimbal model, and I'm going to talk about some of its features. So this model is the newest and the most advanced gimbal model in the lineup, and it's built for creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants buttery smooth videos with their mobile phones. It is foldable and very lightweight, and it's very portable. And also it has a very optimized battery, so it can charge in under 2 hours, and it can last to up to 10 hours. Yeah, so it's ideal for content creators who want to be active on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or other social media platforms, and also for vlogs, travels, events, for educational videos, presentations, and for high quality mobile filmmaking or live streaming. Okay, so here's how it looks from the inside. So the actual gimbal is in like a bag, a cotton bag, and I think the charger and other things are in this container here. So I'm going to open it now. Also, in this model, there are some new features than the previous models. For example, the Active Track 7.0 is smarter and more precise. There's also AI shot guides and upgraded stabilization and quick launch, which I think most of these features are only available for when you have the application and set it up with the gimbal. So this is how it looks like right now. It's in the folded position. One thing about this is that it has an easy launch option. So when you open it, it turns on. And if you want to turn it off, you just close it the same way you opened it and you twist it here to turn it off. And so that's what's really special about this. It makes it more accessible and more easy to use. The thing that makes it superior to other gimbal models is that it has a more reliable app. So you can sync this gimbal to your mobile phone, and it adds up to the features that it has, and you have the AI integrated features also on the app. It has a faster charging and a longer lasting battery. And also it's more practical and foldable. So continuing with the box, we can also find the cables here in this tiny box. Also, I think that personally, comparing it with other gimbal models, it's very worth the money because it's very professional, and you can use it for multiple uses if you want to like create a wide range of content. So I think, yeah, that's a good thing about it. And it's also very intelligent, so it can move intelligently, and that differentiates it from other holders and gimbals in the market. Yeah, so in the box you can also find other gadgets and wires that you may be using with this gimbal. As I mentioned before, it is different from the other models and the older models because it has active track. Basically, this means that it can track if someone's talking, it can track who's talking and point to that direction. It also has shot guides that are charged by AI, and it has more stabilization compared to the older models and other models, and also the quick launch that you can open and close it for turning it on and off. It's compatible with iPhone and Android phones by downloading the application, and it can support up to 230 grams of weight in terms of your phone, which would be 67 to 84 millimeters wide. It can't really hold that heavy or bulky phones, but I'm assuming that that wouldn't be a problem because it's made with the standard size and weight. So yeah. Okay, so this was me unboxing the Osmo Mobile 7P gimbal. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you for your unlimited support. Please don't hesitate to ask any questions if you had any, and thank you. See you soon.